Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. If you have access to your physical keyboard, you can use the simple shortcut of Ctrl, Windows key, and O key, pressing them all at the same time, which will open this adjustable on-screen keyboard on our screen. It also has the numpad if you need to use it, and if you'd like to open the on-screen keyboard using settings, then you're gonna have to go to the start menu, then open settings right here, then go to accessibility settings on the sidebar, and here we're gonna have to find keyboard and enable the on-screen keyboard feature, and this will give us the very same keyboard that we just seen. If you want to have easier access to your keyboard without using your physical keyboard, then you're gonna have to go to personalization, and then we're gonna have to open taskbar right here, find the touch keyboard feature and change its value to always. This will make this tiny icon appear on your screen. Click on touch keyboard, and now you have the fully functional touch keyboard that you can use with the touchscreen of your laptop, and it's accessible basically everywhere where you can access your taskbar. Just tap or click this icon right here. You can use it both with a touchscreen or with a touchpad or with a mouse. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.